YouTube? It's your boy, Ray82, back at it again with another video, and we're in Deadpool. Buckles! But today, we have an unboxing. It's been a long time since I did an unboxing. We're going to unbox LootCrate. This way, LootCrate. Time to get my knife out. Oh. That was a little bit too easy. I opened it before, just check it in, but I didn't take it out. Da-na-na-na! What the fuck's in it? What the fuck's in it? Okay. First but not least, we always do with the shirt. Oh, hell yes. Hell fucking yes. Sorry, Deadpool. You gotta change. Alright. Let's see. Hold on. Okay. One item down. Second item. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. The Bob's Burger Box. Is this the police season? Like the first season? Hold on. I hate Bob's Burger, but you know what? I'm gonna open it. I'm not a big fan of Bob's Burgers. But that doesn't say I'm a big fan of Archer. I love Archer. I hate Bob. They're the same people, I know. What the fuck? Oh, recipe for joke burger. Can you see that? Recipe for joke burgers. Huh. What else is in this box? That's it? Oh. Now I gotta open this. Fuck. Okay, huh. Let me just give this away to one of my friends or sister. One of my friends or family member. Yeah. Wait. Are these actually recipes? Holy shit, these are actually recipes. New bacon. These are recipes. Holy shit! These are fucking recipes. Sweet. Well, I know what I'm going to do now. I know who I'm going to give this to. Or I could just make these myself. Okay, link in the description down. Comment down below if you want me to, like, actually do some of these recipes. These are actually nice. Sweet. Slide McKenzie! Ah, yes. Fucking Futurama, motherfucker. What is this? What is it? It's fucking drink cozies! Hold on. Empty can. Yeah. Fucking drink cozies! Slurm! From the future! Ha! Yeah! That's awesome! Fucking awesome! What next? Oh my god. Oh my god. Open it up. Gentle now. Let's be gentle about this. What up, Dum? It's Rick! And just in time, season 3 is about to come out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. And stay on it. Come on. Do I have to glue you down? This means welcome or something. I forgot this episode, but oh, it's fucking awesome. It's going in my collection. Hold on. And there you go. Rick Sanchez, meet Doc Brown. Okay. You know, you got your pin. Just say I can go on the website and unlock some cool shit. I don't really do. I just keep the pen sometimes. Okay. And now for the shit I'm never gonna be in. Let's see. Woo! The Undertaker Loot Crate. I need to get this. I want it. Still said that he retired, but yeah, he was old. Ah! What the fuck is that? What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Hold on. Oh no. Colorful crap. Look. Oh. Okay, this seems... I'll have to look at this later. Explore a world attuned at lootcrate.com/keys. Oh! So, you use these to get to log to do these. Okay. So, I'm not going to build that. This is what it's supposed to look like. Bob's Burgers restaurant. I never do that. How to build Bob's Burgers with this? No. Slayer McKenzie. Alright. Exclusive. I'm glad fucking Rick and Morty's coming back. Those news on the next Marvel Crate. Marvel! Does anyone else say that looks like Marceline from Adventure Time? So that definitely looks like Marceline. And again, Bob. And the people who are in Loot Crate. Come on, Loot Crate! Put me in this damn thing. I could have won all this cool, nice stuff. The Lux Telescope's okay, but nah. The Loot Mega Crate. I could have won a Groot. I am Groot. That does it for this episode of Unboxing Loot Crate of July 2017 to Loot Crate. I got it yesterday. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, pass it along, show your friends, show your family, and welcome to the madness. You'll enjoy it. This has been Rage2, signing out.